So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about ESCO Diversity Challenge 2021, or you can say ESCO Off Campus Drive 2020, which is only applicable for the freshers. So before discussing further about the eligibility criteria and the other things, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon. And also you can join our official Telegram channel called Latest Off Campus Drives for you. So I'll be putting the Telegram channel link in the description of this video so that you will be able to join our Telegram channel more easily and get updates regarding latest off campus drives and the job references. So now let's discuss about the job role and the eligibility criteria. So the job profile, they are hiring for the software engineer trainee and salary will be getting 6.5 LPA, which is fixed. Then job location, they are hiring for Bangalore only, and total number of openings or the vacancies, they have 7 only, and experience required is freshers, and interview location is online or the virtual interview. So the test date is 11th December 2020 starting from 6:30 am, and the test ends on 13th December 2020 6:30 am. So you need to attend this off campus drive or the test within this mentioned days, within 2 days. So now let's discuss about the eligibility criteria. So they will be providing the offer letter to the shortlisted candidates in the next 1 to 2 months. That means in the January 2021 or Feb 2021. Only the female candidates are eligible for this job role. Unfortunately, no male candidates are eligible. Then BE, BTech, MCA with graduation year of 2020. Only 2020 year pass out or the batch candidates are eligible for this job role. Other candidates or the batch candidates like 2021, that means the current batch, or 2019 or 2018 are not eligible. Then 60% GPA required or above. So it does not matter how much percentage you have in 10th or 12th. For the degree you need minimum of 60% throughout your career. Then challenge format. So this initial coding challenge has one programming question restricted to C++ or Java, JavaScript or C#. Python option is not there. So you need to solve by using or by the help of these programming languages. Then you will be expected to answer the question in 1 hour only. So there will be one programming question and you need to solve within 3 hours only. Then you need to remember one thing: first 4,000 eligible registered students or the candidates only will get the invited to this test, or they will be getting the test link. So first 4,000 candidates they will consider only. So they will receive an email with the test link in a day before mentioned challenge date. That means on 10th December you will be receiving the test link. So let me take you to the official website where you can apply for this or register for this tech challenge. So this is the official website of ESCO Diversity Challenge. Here you can see all the details as we discussed earlier. So I am requesting all of you to register before 11th December 2020 if you are eligible or interested. By clicking on the register now button or option here, you will be able to register for this tech challenge. So below you can see all the details as we discussed earlier: CGPA 60%, etc. And also if you want to prepare or go through the sample test challenge, you need to click on the sample challenge here. Then you will be able to practice the programming questions. So after 21st September 3:30 p.m, that means right now it is live, you can attend or start practicing this question. So already 1,96,000 candidates have already started practicing all these things. So I'm requesting all of you to practice this so that you'll be able to crack this interview or crack this tech challenge. So I'll be putting this link in the description of this video as well as the this link, so that you will be able to practice this tech challenge or practice some of the coding questions and prepare for this off campus drive. So if you have any doubts regarding tech challenge, you can comment your doubts in that comment section below so that we'll be able to help you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching and all the best for this drive.